Welcome to this section on pendulums. It's actually quite easy to test whether our chakras are open or closed using a pendulum with a string on it. You can have a small stone or weight that is your favorite and simply add the string to yourself, or you can purchase one from eBay, for example, or your local crystal shop. I actually have 3. Here on the page, I have put down some chakra stones from a pack. You might like to cleanse yourself beforehand, smudge yourself, and light a sacred candle. And definitely prepare yourself by breathing first. Here are the 3 that I have. The one with the brass just fell to the floor. Here is a crystal one, which I wrapped my own string around. And here is one that one of my friends made for me. They all work and they are a lot of fun. So simply see what works for you. When you are ready, pick up your pendulum. Do this with me here and now. I've set out my chakra stones on a blank piece of paper. Simply hover the pendulum over the chakra you wish to test, whilst having your left hand over the chakra that is being tested. So you can see here I'm testing Muladhara, my base chakra, and it is spinning in a clear clockwise position. This is what we want to see. If it is spinning anti-clockwise, then it is not very healthy. I like to clear my pendulum by simply sweeping down the length of the string. Then resettle, place your hand on the next chakra to be tested, and let the pendulum simply do its work. And you can see here I'm hovering over Swadhisthana, my second chakra, and here goes the pendulum swinging around in that nice clockwise position, which is what we want to see. You will see me doing this for each of our chakras. As you grow more comfortable in your relationship with the pendulum, you can take readings of the chakras from the different levels of your auric field. We don't have time to go into that here. However, if you do decide to dive more deeply into shamanic training and healing, I definitely encourage you to use your pendulum. You need to become comfortable with your intuition. Look at each individual chakra as well as how the chakras relate to one another. It takes time to learn how to observe. I suggest you practice on your own first, as you are seeing me here doing with my pendulum over the chakra stones. If you don't have any chakra stones, don't worry about this. Simply draw up the colour of the chakra on a piece of paper. And as I've said, with your free hand, touch your chakra. I prefer to use my left, and I prefer to have my pendulum in my right hand. Please understand that the pendulum will give an accurate reading of your chakras. Simply trust, surrender to that.